Wagwan, beautiful people.
What's up, guys?
Welcome once again to Cooking with Nino. Hey, check it out. I got for you today some spicy garlic shrimp. And let me tell you, you're going to love this dish from start to finish. About 20 minutes. And you're going to love it. Your family's going to love it. Your friends, the whole on are going to love it. So
okay, stop talking. Let's get into the video.
And we'll get to it.
Today we're going to be making some spicy garlic shrimp. And one of the first things you want to remember is whatever size shrimp you want to use, you're welcome to use. It's entirely up to you, but you got to make sure that you get your shrimp peeled and washed. And once you get it all peeled and washed, you're halfway there. You got to get your dish all prepared and get it all set up. Hey, you know what to do right now. If you haven't liked, share, or subscribe already, make sure you do so now and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. So now it's time to get all your ingredients together. I prefer to use a whole clove of garlic because let me tell you, I am very much a garlic lover. So you just drop them on the cutting board and just give them a little smash to remove all the peels. And once you get all your garlic ready, you get it all peeled, slap them all on the board and just start chopping away. Just chop, chop, chop. Now you can make your garlic as fine or as coarse as you would like. Just give it a good chop, rough chop, fine chops, entirely up to you. Once we get our garlic all chopped up, now it's time to get our chili peppers chopped up. And you can use as many chilies as you'd like. All depends on your tolerance level or your preference. So you get that all chopped up, then you get your green onions or your spring onions, and you just start chopping those as well. Just get them nicely sliced. Now you've got all your ingredients prepared, all your plant-based ingredients. Now it's time to put them all together. So once again, just to recap, you've got your shrimp, you've got your garlic, you've got your chili peppers, as well as your green onions. Now you start to add all your dry ingredients, your seasoning, your salt and pepper, and then you just add all the other ingredients that you have chopped up, add them to the bowl. Once everything is in the bowl, now you're going to be using a little bit of sesame seed oil. You're going to sprinkle over that just to give that little Asian kick, the little Asian feel. Once you got your seasoning, and you're going to add your hoisin sauce. Add a little bit, maybe about a tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and then just all stir them all together and get them all prepared and ready to be sauteed. But before doing that, you want to ensure you just get it all covered up. Just put it in your cooler for maybe 10-15 minutes just to kind of get all the ingredients to get to know each other. Once they all get to know each other, let me tell you, you're going to have a fantastic dish at your fingertips. So just refrigerate for a short while. Oh yeah, and don't forget your fresh thyme leaves. Can't forget your fresh thyme leaves because that's going to give it a nice little boost. And when it's time to get it all sauteed, you want to get your pan on your stove top, about a medium heat, and add a bit of vegetable oil. Once the vegetable oil is heated, it's time to add your shrimp to that pan and just let it just get to know each other, sauteed, all seasoned up, all prepared, all ready to go. It is absolutely a delicious dish, and it only can take you maybe about 25 to 30 minutes from start to finish. Once it's all set, just empty it into a bowl. You can either just grab it by pieces and you can just eat away. It's a great snack food at a party or just hanging out with your friends. But let me tell you, for me, I like to add a little bit of white rice to that, and that in itself makes a complete meal. Yes, so if you like what you see and you enjoy this meal, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you on the next episode.
Bye-bye.